YouTube? Soul Review Kicks here, back with another unboxing, another review. As you see, this is one of them old ones. Went to my local outlet, Nike outlet store, and saw this one there. You know, later release. I believe these shoes came out last year. And saw them lying around. I was like, you know what? I'm going to pick it up. Why not? Let's get into this one. Let's see what we got today. We have Air Jordan 1 Low, 85. White, navy white. I do believe these came out and everybody just said nope. Take a look at the box. Like I said, it's got that nice textured look to it. Classic old looking box look to it as well. Bottom of the box. Alright. Let's have a look at what's inside these. Oop. Date code 24031917. Lid size is going to be 330 by 190 by 120. Not seeing anything else. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, okay. Presentations about it. One. Oh. Okay, the metallic blue. Okay. Yeah, everybody slept on these. I don't know what happened. Okay. Keep these bad boys out. Not seeing anything other than the tray size is 330 by 190 by 120. Air Jordan 1 Low, 85, metallic blues. Slept on shoe. Wow. Look at that toe box. Wild. But nonetheless, it's a classic look. Clean. You know me, I love a white shoe. Let's take a look at that stitching though. So many Air Jordan 1 Lows. You got the 85s, OGs, you got the ones, low SEs, you got, you know, saturated. Look at the shoe tag. XC Factory. Wow. It's got the Rookie of the Year feel to it, you know, the construction sturdiness of it. Look at the bottom. Nice little blue. Wow. I like it. Let's take a look at the inside. As always, they always just do this with the shoelaces. Somebody comment below. Let me know if there was extra laces with this. Men's size 8 sticker above Nike Air. It's got that soft white. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh. Let's take a look at this bottom here. What is that? cardboard? What is... Somebody also comment below and let me know what that is. I've never... Take a look at the stitching. That's different. Man. Let me find out, Nike outlet store, you selling fakes. Just kidding. Hope not. Alright. I mean, there's nothing to it. Quick little cop. Saw it. There wasn't that many left. I was like, alright, you know what? I'm gonna here I have a couple. You know? Why not? That's gonna do it for today's video. If you liked the video today, comment, like, subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one.